Veterans who meet the VA's requirements for this benefit may qualify. According to VA.gov, veterans and military service members need to have the following for eligibility. So loss or permanent loss of use of one or both feet, or loss or permanent loss of use of one or both hands, or permanent decreased vision in both eyes, 2200 vision or less in your better eye with glasses, or greater than 2200 vision, but with a visual field defect that has reduced your peripheral vision to 20 degrees or less in your better eye. Or, and let me go on to these or statements here real quick. Cut in, jump into the screen share here. It says or, so you have this or you have that. So, if you don't have this exact thing and you have a partial, then you don't meet it. It's this, and it's literally written into the law here. So you either have these things or you don't have them. Figure out a way to make this fit, and depending on how many service-connected disabilities are a problem for you, you may qualify and, for a couple different things. So read this, and I'm just putting the information out there. Want to get this stuff out to you guys so you're aware of it. The VA doesn't advertise this stuff, and I certainly wasn't getting marketed to very well back when I got out in 91. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, share it, and leave a comment below. Or a severe burn injury, or ALS, ankylosis in both knees or hips, and then a note, a little asterisk on this one, is this qualifies you for the adaptive equipment grant only. What veterans find most confusing about automobile and adaptive equipment benefits is how exactly these benefits are processed, who processes them. Most veterans think that their local regional office handles all aspects of the automobile and adaptive equipment benefits, but the reality is that obtaining these benefits is a back and forth process between the regional office, your VA regional office, the prosthetics department in your VA regional office, the treating VA medical center, and the seller of the automobile. So with the auto allowance, you need to fill out VA form 21-4502 in duplicate and return that form to the regional office. Then the regional office determines whether or not the veteran is eligible for the benefit due to a prior rating decision, and if the veteran has already received this benefit once before. So that's what they're looking for at this first step. If the veteran has already been awarded for automobile allowance once before, you can't receive it again because it's a one-time payment thing. So they're going to be checking that. If you've already got it, you don't get another one. Once the regional office determines that the veteran is eligible for the benefit, the regional office will fill out section 2 of the form and send it to the veteran. Veteran acquires the vehicle, completes section 3, and sends it back to the regional office. The seller sends the invoice of the vehicle to the regional office for payment, and then the regional office finance department pays the seller for the vehicle. So needless to say, this isn't a straightforward, hey, hook me up with a check and I'm going to go buy the car. There's some hoops you have to jump through. You're a veteran, you deal with the VA. Nothing shocking here, but 24 grand towards a new car is probably worth a little extra legwork. Let me jump in here real quick and tell you about my boot camp. If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my boot camp. You can talk to me live. There's a link on the website and in the description, combatcraig.com. And also, if you need medical evidence like a nexus or documenting your symptoms properly, go to our website, combatcraig.com, and it says medteam/nexus letters. Click on that link, fill out the form, boom, you're done.